You need to hear this if you're curious about the future. AI and ML are more than just buzzwords. They're shaping our world. So, what's the deal with artificial intelligence and machine learning? Imagine teaching your dog tricks, but instead of a dog, it's a computer. And instead of tricks, it's doing complex tasks like diagnosing diseases or recommending your next binge watch. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like giving your computer a brain. Well, not literally, but it can make decisions and learn from data. Think of Siri, Alexa, or even that creepy, accurate YouTube recommendation. Now, machine learning is a slice of that AI pie. It's where computers use data to get better at tasks, kind of like how you got better at riding a bike with practice. It's behind self-driving cars, spam filters, and even that cute dog filter on your favorite app. From healthcare to entertainment, AI and ML are changing the game. So next time you hear these terms, remember, it's not just sci-fi, it's our future unfolding. Stay curious, folks. And maybe thank the robots for your next pizza delivery.